Hi, good morning. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Julina Martinez Pinti. I am 29 years old, married, and blessed with two beautiful daughters. Ages are 3 years old and 7 years old. I graduated Bachelor of Science in Computer Science.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have one brother and two sisters. I am the third siblings in the family.
Okay, please tell me about your working experience as a housemaid before.
I have a work experience for 3 years. I started November 2019 and ended December 2021. My main duties is to take care of 3 months old baby and one 4-year-old kid. My main duty is to take care of them, do the household cleaning, cooking, ironing, and marketing.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
First, I will stay calm and check the diaper first if it is wet, and if it is wet, I will change the diaper. Then feed the baby and sing a song.
Okay. Could you sing a nursery song for the baby?
Yes.
Can you sing now?
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Okay, very good. If the baby will trigger and is naughty, what will you do?
I will stay up. I will give a great patient and I will catch her attention and I will sing a song and
Do you know how to read book stories for them?
yes.
Okay, why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
I want to provide my family needs, especially financially, and I want to give my daughter a good education.
Okay, how about take care of them when you work there in Hong Kong?
My mother and my husband.
So you consider that if you're a first timer, so how can you avoid a homesick?
I will focus on my work and um, uh, I will I will give a video call when rest time.
Okay. So do you know how to take a bath with a baby?
Yes.
What do you need to prepare and you need to take care of?
First, look warm and a towel and a soap.
What do you need to taking care of during taking a bath with the baby?
First is the ears, the nose, and the mouth to avoid spilling of water.
Okay. So do you have any allergy?
No.
Do you love cooking?
Yes.
Can you rate yourself cooking? It's excellent or good?
It's good.
Okay, what food can you cook?
A native food and a Filipino food, but I am willing to learn the Chinese food.
Are you scared dogs and cats?
No.
Okay, do you have dogs and cats in your house?
Yes.
Do you have tattoo on your body?
Yes.
In which part?
In the right arm.
Can you show to the camera? Okay, only that one tattoo?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So if ever the employer will pay your holiday and you will not do the day off, are you willing?
Yes.
Can you clean the car without extra pay?
Yes.
Can you take care of the person if ever needed in the house of your employer without any complaint?
Yes.
Okay, if you want to come to Hong Kong and employer requesting you to cut your short before coming there, are you willing?
Yes.
Can you promise not to loan money in Hong Kong?
Yes.
Okay, lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
To my future employer, please hire me. I am helpful and I am a good person, loyal and trustworthy. I will promise that I will um, do my work and passionately, and I am willing
Can you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
yes, I will promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Okay, thank you. See you in Hong Kong.